Welcome, friends and family. We are gathered here today to officially unite two of the best people I know, Catherine and Justin, in marriage. Well, let's get this party started.
I love you. You're gonna make me cry.
I thought you were gonna cry.
Nope, not crying.
This certainly is a special occasion in a very, very special place. The land has helped shape who you are as individuals, and it will definitely shape your life together as a married couple in the years to come.
Justin is truly one of a kind. I know for a fact that I am not the only one here today who refers to him as one of the best friends they've ever had. Catherine is beautiful, both inside and out. The way he looks at Catherine is like no other. Her father said it best when he told me that he's not just looking at her. There is a whole other level of admiration and feelings he has for her when doing so.
So I invite you all here to take a moment and take in this view, this wide, expansive, beautiful view. Breathe it in. And now with that view in mind, let us send Kat and Justin our shared blessing that their love will grow deeper, wider, more expansive, and even more beautiful from this day forward and forever. May it be so.
By the power vested in me, by the wonderful World Wide Web, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Justin, you may finally kiss your bride.
But here's the thing about Justin. Beneath that clean exterior, he's one of the most dependable and honest guys that I know. If he gives you his word, you can take that to the bank.
When we were little, there was a Christmas that Crystal and I experienced, and we thought we were getting a trampoline or a puppy. Nope, we got Catherine.
I honestly thought nothing could come between him and his farm, but then along came Kat. He didn't just describe her, he lit up when talking about how easygoing, beautiful, kind-hearted, and fun she truly is. I realized immediately that she was the perfect balance to his, well, meticulous nature. They were a perfect match. I knew he had found his keeper.
From the moment my parents brought her home, I knew she was special, and it was literally love at first sight. I have loved watching you grow. You are like my little practice baby. Rochelle and I could not get enough of you. You are truly a shining light in our family. Your kindness, independence, and dependability inspires me every day. Congratulations for a lifetime of love and happiness and endless adventure.
And not get mad
and not get mad
when you constantly
when you constantly
rearrange the house.
rearrange the house.
That tastes like vinegar coming out of your mouth.
That was rough.